Calculating the range. In this video we're going to look at how you can use statistical analysis techniques to calculate the range. So firstly, let's take a look at what do we mean by the range. Well, the range is a calculation of the spread of data, and this means that we take the largest number away from the smallest number. This is typically a useful method to establish the spread of data from what we've got in our data set. We're going to do this by looking at a common question we've used already. So B produces a questionnaire and asks 10 people to answer the following question. On a scale of 1 to 10, 1 being very dissatisfied and 10 being very satisfied, how would you rate your experience of the B Business B YouTube channel? Here you can see the results that B had got. Now we need to use these results to help us calculate the range. So all we need to do now is work out where our largest number is and what our smallest number is. So in turn you can see that our smallest number is 1 and our largest number is 10. So we take those away and we're left with the value 9, and that is our range calculated. It really is as simple as that. So what we're left with now is you can see we have a range of 9, and that shows that there's quite a large spread of results in our data set that we have collected. We could then use, for example, standard deviation to help us get an increased confidence level from this data that we've calculated. However, when you think about range, just think about largest number, take away smallest number from your data. Remember, until next time, keep buzzing.